Hello kids, how are you? Children, I'm going to continue with the same topic, that is report writing and once again I welcome you all to my class. So students, I'm going to continue with the same topic, that is report writing. I told you, first of all, let me revise within 2 minutes. What is a report? So report is a description of an event or an investigation of an issue or a problem. So what is a report? Report is a description of an event or an investigation of an issue or a problem. Children, then I told you there are two types of reports are there. First, I told you the reports which is related with the function and which is related with the events or function in a school or in a college or in a city. Okay, and then children, newspaper report is there. Okay, it can be related with the accident or with anything like car accident, train accident, plane crash, hijacking of a plane. Okay, then somebody died due to accident, road accidents. So this type of news report which is there in the newspaper and we often read it. So I'm going to teach you this type of report today. Now children, I also told you what is the purpose of writing a good report. So purpose of writing a good report is to highlight the incident, event or experience of general nature. Okay, so what is the purpose of writing a report? The purpose of writing a report is to highlight an incident or an event or an experience of general nature. And children, report create an awareness among the people. Report create an children, as soon as we read in the morning newspaper, so many awareness it is created to us through the media, through the newspaper, through the television news. And children, we know a lot of things that what really happened. It is not based on rumor, it is based on facts. So we know the fact that how many died in that car accident, what really happened. Okay, now I also told you about the purpose of writing the report. So what is the main purpose of writing the report? Purpose of writing the report is to children, it should tell the facts, what really happened. Okay, this is the main purpose of writing the report. And children, again I revise you that whenever you write the report, you should write in passive voice. Okay, in past tense passive voice, and you can also use indirect speech in writing a report. Well, ornamental language is avoided. What is an ornamental language? It is a flowery language that should be avoided. Now children, I told you children, in poster writing I told you ornamental language should be there, but children, in report writing it is just vice versa. Ornamental language is not there. Report should be in a simple, brief, and of course children, we can use some new words there to make your report attractive. Okay, because children, many people they gain knowledge through the newspaper by reading it. So what I want to say is that you can write some extraordinary words, some difficult words or new words in your report. And children, all the proper information should be there. Why, where, which place, if any train accident is there, which place, how many died, why, what happened. Okay, all that action and mishap, how many who came, how many ambulance, how many doctors, how many police officers they reached in time. So all the authentic report should be attached with it. So a good report attach all the necessary information. A good report attach all the necessary information. Children, then I told you there should be a proper heading in a report, simple language in brief, but it should cover all the points. Okay, and people must grasp and through report at what really was the matter. Then children, we can write the report in 2 to 3 paragraphs. Alright. Then children, we also have to stick to the word limit. We have to adhere to the word limit because if you are writing in the answer sheet, there is some word limit for it. 200 word to 150 to 200 word limit is there for report writing. Now children, I told you about the format of a report. Now before doing one report, let me also revise the format of a report. So children, we write the heading. Heading is written here. Then by staff reporter, or you can also write the name of the person. Okay. Leave one line here, and then you have to write date. No, place. And then date. Your report start from here. You don't have to leave your line. Your report will directly start from here, because children, newspaper, we have to care about the space in the newspaper. So many news is written, so even a small space is very important for the newspaper. So children, this is the format. In this format you will be write the report. You have to write the heading. A catchy heading should be there. As soon as you write the heading, the person should know that what this report is about. Then you have to write that who had written the report. Okay. And children, your opening paragraph will start from here only. The first paragraph will start from here only. Then children, in content you have to write each and every details in the content. Of course children, you can write conclusion in the report. Well, so student, yesterday in previous my video I have taught you how to write the report of an event or a function. Okay, so again let me revise children. You have to write where that function was held, where that event took place, who was the key players, what he said, what motivational word he had said. If there was some cultural program, then what type of cultural program, you have to mention the program list, and who had given the vote of thanks. All these things children you have to say in your report. Okay, but today children we are writing the report of the children of the newspaper, and that report is dealing with the accident. Okay, so today I am going to teach you how to write the report in a newspaper, and generally it consists, okay, about the accident. So children, you have to you can jot down some of the point I will be telling you, and you can please note down these are the important points while writing the newspaper report in detail of an accident. Okay, so first of all children, you will write what happened. What you will write? The newspaper report. And if it is if you have to write about an accident, so what you have to write? What happened? Where? Now if some accident is there, then you have to write where. What happened? Where? When? The time. Okay, the exact time. Or nearly, if you don't know the exact time, then you have to write the time which is near to that time. Then how it happened, how that train accident took place, what are the people's and the prediction of the people was at the time of an accident, why, okay, why it happened, because due to carelessness of a driver, or due to some failure in the machinery or in the engine of a train. Okay, so you have to write the reason also. Then children, various things involved. Then you have to write various things were involved in happening that accident. Then children, you have to write how many life, that means how many people died and what happened to the property of those people, what happened to the thing of those people. Was it kept by the policemen so that they can hand over to the family of the person who were dead? Okay, so this type of things you have to write within 1 or 2 lines. Then children, eyewitness account. This is also very important. Lot of fact we can get when there is a eye, if we will ask questions from eyewitness account. Okay. Then children, details of rescue and relief. How many people came from rescue? Does the ambulance came? Does the doctors arrive in time? So we have to write about the rescue and relief. Children, then children, whatever the casualty happened, okay, so you have to write in the second paragraph, children, or in third paragraph, you have to write the details of the casualty or an accident. Then details of government inquiry. This is also a major part if you will write the accidental report of the newspaper. Okay. Then children, what did the government did for, that means what compensation it has announced for the families of those killed or injured in an accident. Then children, finally a reminder or warning should be there for the recommendation or action on the entire episode can be added. So children, these are the important points which we have to see while writing the report of the newspaper related with an accident of a train or crashing of a plane, road accident. Okay, so these are the things which we have to like, right children? In road accident, we cannot tell the children about the rescue or relief operation. Very in one or two lines that the local people came and they took him to the hospital. Something only in one or two sentences can be written. So children, I hope I am clear to you. So children, you have to keep in mind, okay, the details which I have just shared with you. And I am going to write a, children, I am going to tell you about a accident report, okay, and how to write the heading. So my question is, which I am going to read you, and you can see that what heading, children, you can write. You can write the heading. As soon as you read the question, you can write the heading. So children, I am going to read the question. Listen carefully. Nearly 160 people are feared dead after an airliner crashed. Children, 160 people are feared dead after an airliner crashed while landing near the southern Indian city of Mangalore. All the passengers on the flights were Indian national, with many returning from jobs in the Gulf to visit their families. As a reporter of a national daily, report the accident in about 150 to 200 words. Children, few points needs to be discussed here. Like children, here children, then sometime if the name of the newspaper is given here, then you can write the name of the newspaper, but here it is written National Daily. So you have to write, your children, you have to see whether it is a National Daily or whether it is a local daily. So children, if a National Daily is there, if the name of the newspaper is not there, then children, you can write the name of the newspaper which is there in all over the country, like the Hindustan Times, the Hindu, the Pioneer, the Times of India. So these are among some of the newspaper which will come in the category of National Daily. But if they will ask you about local daily, so you can write the name of any newspaper which is local, like in Varanasi. If you are here in Varanasi, then you can write Dainik Bhaskar, Hindustan. If you are in Rajasthan, then you can write Rajasthan Patrika. Okay, that is a very common and local newspaper there. So children, you have to see this thing. You have to keep in mind that if the newspaper name is there, okay. And children, if the newspaper name is not there, then you can write the name of any newspaper, like the Hindustan Times, the Hindu, the National Daily, the Pioneer, the Times of India. You can write any. So children, here in this question, it is given here. It is given here that you have to write the newspaper. Okay, you have to write the news. You are the reporter of a national daily newspaper. You are the reporter of a national daily newspaper. Okay, so children, you have to write the name of any national daily newspaper. Okay, so once again children, I am telling you that in heading what you have to write, you can see once again I am reading the question. 160 people are feared dead after an airliner crashed. So children, as soon as I read the question, you can see it is about a plane crash. Okay, it is about a plane crash while landing near the southern Indian city of Mangalore. That plane has landed among the southern city of Mangalore. All the passengers on the flight were Indian nationals, with many returning from jobs in the Gulf to visit the family. So children, all the families who were there in the plane, they were Indian national, and they were returning to meet their family, to visit their family after they were all doing jobs in the Gulf countries. As a reporter of a national daily, report the accident in about 150 to 200 words. So here children, the word limit is there. Now children, what heading you will write? Just think. And children, you also know this is the plane crash. This is not a train accident or a road accident. Here it is given clearly that here there is a plane crash was there. So you can write 160 people fear dead after airline crash. 160 people. In the heading you will write 160 people. Okay, 160 people feared dead as the airline crashes. So children, clearly you can see what is there in the heading. 160 people fear dead as the airline crashes. Then children, you have to write this. Children, it is written by whom? So you can write by a staff reporter. You can here write by a staff reporter. Okay, and then children, you have to write here. You can write which city, children? Mangalore. 22 July 2020. And children, now you have to start writing your report from your opening paragraph from here only. You don't have to leave any line. So children, just see that what I am going to write. So students, I am going to read the report and you will see that how it is written. What you will write initially, how you are going to start your opening paragraph. Now children, you have to mention, children, first which airline was that which crashed, which was the airline which crashed. So an Air India airline crashed and burst into flame outside an airport in southern India, killing 160 people. So children, you have to mention the name of the airline in the beginning which was crashed. Okay. And Air India, I think you all know it's the name of a plane. Okay. And Air India airline crashed and burst into flames outside an airport in southern India, killing 160 people. Children, in the very first line, the people know about the news that how many people killed and of which thing. It was a plane, and the name of the plane also is mentioned here. Okay. Many thought to be Indian migrant working returning home from Dubai. So children, it was believed that many migrant workers were there who had returned from Dubai. They wanted to visit their family. The Boeing 737-800, children, this is the name of the aeroplane. The plane which caught fire, which was burst into flame. So the Boeing 737-800 appeared to skid off the runway. In rain, why it skipped, that also you have to mention that it was a rainfall. It might have been due to rainfall. At Mangalore airport in Karnataka state and plunged into the forest below. And children, where it slid into the forest. It just escaped into the forest. Flame spouted from the wreckage as rescue workers fought to bring the fire under control. Children, the flame was bursting out from the plane. Though children, there were many workers who went there to rescue the plane and the passenger inside. Okay, they worked very hard to bring the fire under control. 8 people from among 160 passengers and crew on board were rescued. Only 8 passenger children out of 168 people on board were rescued, and they were shifted to local hospital in an ambulance. Survivor said, now children, what eyewitness had said. Now this also we have to write here. Okay, what eyewitness had said. Survivors said they thought they heard what sounded like to be a tire bursting just before the crash. Now children, who were the eyewitness, what they told? Ki they have heard a loud noise, okay, as if some tire had burst before the plane crashed and before it caught fire. Officials said all 158 bodies had been recovered, some born beyond recognition. Now children, the officers who were supposed to investigate the case, that how everything happened, they told that others' body have been recovered, but some of the bodies were so badly burned that we were not able to, they were beyond recognition. Okay. Indian Aviation Minister Praful Patel said that he felt morally responsible for the crash. Now children, it was the minister who had told that he had taken responsibility, that he was finally responsible for the crash, morally responsible for the crash. He conveyed his condolence to the bereaved family. Okay, and the sum of 1 lakh rupees were supposed to be given to the bereaved family. So children, this is the way we write the report, okay, of a newspaper related with accident. So children, this was one of the report. Now children, one report I can tell you children, if it was a accident happened children when the boat, due to the people were in the boat, okay, and it sank. So one question, I will be only giving you the important hints. A private boat carrying 43 tourists. Children, nowadays you can see a lot of rush is there, and a private boat was there which was carrying how many tourists? At least 43 tourists. It was a large boat and it was carrying a 43 tourists. It sank between the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Now children, that boat, it sank where? Near the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, leaving 21 people dead. And children, how many people died? 21 people died. As Pranshu, staff reporter for the Times of India. Now children, here you can see the name Pranjal or Pranshu is given, and he is the staff reporter. The name of the newspaper is also written here, the Times of India. Write your report in 150, 200 to 200 words. So children, you can see what heading you are going to write, that I will be telling you. You can also think that what heading should be written. So 21 dead as boat. You can write the word sank also. You can write the word okay. Now children, you can see the heading, and children, here the name of the staff reporter is there, so you can write here by a staff reporter. Two names are there, okay, Pranjal and Pranshu. You can write any name. The name of the newspaper is also written, so you can also write here. Leave one line here, and then you write, children, the name of a place. And you have to write your newspaper content of your report from here. The opening paragraph will start from here. So children, you can write a tourist boat capsized. Capsized is the children, it sank off the coast of India's remote Andaman and Nicobar Island. Now you have to write the time also, at 8:40 p.m. yesterday, leaving 21 people dead. The private boat was carrying 43 tourists, all believed to be Indians. When it sank between the popular spots of Ross Island and North Bay near Port Blair, the capital of the islands. Some people were pulled out from the water and were taken to the hospital in Port Blair, with several of them seriously injured. So see children, the language. In the beginning only all the information is given. Rescue operation were underway with fears of at least another 9 people who are still missing, who may be trapped in the now submerged vessel. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi expresses shock over the tragedy and has asked Indian National Agency to help in the rescue and relief operation. And a list of the dead and injured was expected to be released soon, with the relatives being urged to contact the control room for information. Children, also the police can hand over the body to them. At the same time, children, the government has decided that so and so amount, you can write any amount, 80,000, 50,000 to be given to the bereaved family. Okay, and children, also the contact number of the hospital is also is there on the TV, okay, or in the media or in the newspaper, so the people can reach to the particular hospital to bring the body of the dead person. So children, in this way, children, I have told you that how you have to write the report, how you have to write the report, okay, and especially children, you have to put a proper format. You have to give all the children what you have to give, all the information, like what happened, where it happened, when it happened, how it happened. Okay, then loss of life, then what does the local people had seen. Okay, eyewitnesses account, then detail of the accidental site, detail of rescue and relief operation. So all this has to be discussed. In the end, you have to write what did the government had done for the bereaved family. Okay, some other thing also you can add, like just now I've added the the contact number of the hospital from where the people can gather the body. So children, with this I conclude my lecture on report writing. If you are having any problem, we can discuss in the class. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.